everyone! This past Saturday, we had our first ever History Day at the mall. It was a wonderful gathering of local historic organizations from around Clinton, Essex, and Franklin counties. In case you missed it, here's a glimpse of this new annual event. Thanks so much to the Adirondack Coast Cultural Alliance for organizing the event, and thanks so much to the Champlain Center for being such wonderful hosts. A special thanks to all of the museums, town historians, libraries, and other historic organizations for coming out and sharing your knowledge of history with our visitors. We hope to see you next year for the second annual History Day at the Mall.